Hey, if you want today, I want to show you what's inside of these in this one. Now, I said I would show you what's inside of this one here. We will do a teardown of this subwoofer. Now, this is a non-working one, but the other one is in my bag. That's what is inside of the speaker driver. And underneath it too. And this one here says 4 ohms. A little thing number on there. And there is the amplifier. The amp, right there. Amp. There we go. Hello, I'm making a video. Hang on, I'm just doing a video. Almost done, guys. One more screw. Now, if there's going to be a cut in the video, that's only because I'm trying to disconnect these wires here. And I got it. There's the speaker. Now I can get this amplifier out. I think. Guys, hang on. Guys, I have the amplifier out, finally. I had to use these in order to get the wires undone. Wow, that thing is strong. I'm sorry if you guys wanted it, but it's gone now. Well, it was already dead when I got it anyway. Here's the app. Amplification. I'm gonna have to get something out. Does this work? I know, don't worry about it. We already know what's going to be under there. Bunch of circuits. It's getting looser. There's a little package under there. Wow. Oh, this screw was tight. Good shot. Oh, there's a screw under there. I see it. The glue on these rubber feet is so weak, I can actually peel it off with my hands like this. Look. Wow. So weak. Well, a good place to hide a screw too. Because on other models, they have 2 screws right here. Right there. They hold the transformer in place. I make these videos for entertainment. Final one. Let's hope this thing just falls out of its case. There's that thing stuck there. When this thing was pounding, it was like just shooting air out of this thing, just like poof, 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 when the speaker was pounding. Yo, what is this? Yo! What is this? Another type of transformer? Let's have a look inside it. It looks so green on video. If I can't get this open, I have to put the camera down. I want to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down, guys. I'm sorry. I have to put it down somewhere where it's not in the sun. I will be back in a minute as soon as I got this thing open. This is also a PCB board, circuit board. Whatever this board is, it's something to do with the subwoofer though, but let's have a look inside. Interesting case. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. It's got a yellow transformer. I think this is the power supply board. This may be the power supply. The main actual power supply instead of this one inside. This is where 240 volts comes in and then powers the board and then goes through here into there and then through the speaker. Interesting. See if we can have a look. Interesting. Well, this is the capacitor. And this is the main speaker driver. Which actually fits in there like so. Have a look inside. See me pushing down on it? Very, very, very interesting. That's what's inside of one of those. Yeah. Interesting. And zoom up on it. See all the components in there, the solder joints. Right there. A guy of some sort. Right there, that little guy. I think that's a protector or something. Don't know, but alright, I will get back to you as soon as I get this amplifier open. I can't get that open, guys. Look, I have nuts on the outside of that thing. Why? What if someone needs to replace a component and they can't get inside this thing? Well, that's just great. That just ruined the whole video now. Missed. Done. There we go. At least we have the speaker. My favourite parts of all time. At least you know what a speaker looks like. Pretty interesting thing. Anyway, guys, that is what's inside of one of these speakers here. And that's a big 15. And look, I will show you what a magnet can do. And pick up screws. Let me get it in bird's eye view. Whoa, did you see that? Look at that. That is freaky. Whoa. That's freaky. At least it shows you that it's still spinning good though. I can use it. It's a 25-watt motor. Really cool. Very interesting. Oh well. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all next time. Bye.